I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Left 4 Dead 2 multiplayer offline on your PC. First, ensure your game is installed and updated. Launch the game and open the developer console by pressing the tilde key, usually located under the escape key. This console is where you will enter commands to set up your local game. We will begin by preparing the server for your friends to join. Now let's get your local server running. Type SS Enable 1 into the console and press Enter. This command activates the split screen feature. Next, you will need to load a map. For example, type map C1M1 Hotel to start the first campaign map. Once the map loads, connect your second controller. The game should automatically detect the second player, allowing them to join the action immediately. With your game running, you can customize your offline experience. You can change the split screen orientation by typing SS Split Mode 1 for vertical or SS Split Mode 2 for horizontal. To add more bots, use the SB Add command. You can also adjust difficulty settings through the game's main menu or by using console commands like Z Difficulty Easy for a more relaxed game. If you encounter issues, first check that your controllers are properly connected and recognized by your PC. Sometimes, restarting the game or your computer can resolve minor glitches. Ensure no other programs are interfering with controller input. For optimal performance, close unnecessary background applications. Enjoy countless hours of zombie-slaying fun with your friends, right from your own computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.